Have you scheduled your annual health exam? Will you go or will you not? Do you believe you are healthy? Do you feel that silent diseases cannot affect you? According to Henderson's research article, The Pros and Cons of Annual Medical Exams, 4 out of 5 people do not attend annual health exams. In the 1920s, the American Medical Association proposed the idea of healthy individuals attending annual health exams to help prevent disease. The idea is very controversial. There are pros and cons involved with the idea. Although it may be time-consuming and expensive, preventing and detecting early diseases can improve the quality of life as well as improve the quantity. One pro involved in attending annual health exams involves gathering a bond between your doctor and you. A patient-physician bond is important because that's when you discuss family issues, lifestyle, and any changes that may be going on in your body. Gathering a family history is very important. It allows the doctor to notice any risk factors such as heart disease and diabetes because it has a genetic background. Lifestyle is important because if you smoke or if you drink or if you do illegal drugs of any sort, it can affect your health. Also, exercise habits and diet intake can also create risk factors or promote health. Body changes can be directly related to harm in your body. If you see any changes in your body, this is the time to let your doctor become aware of these changes so that early diagnostic tests can determine or rule out potential disease. Another pro involved would be to seek potential health problems through diagnostic tests that the doctor feel are necessary. For an example, blood levels can determine if your blood sugars are running high or if you have increased lipids in your blood. These early signs can detect potential risks for hyperlipidemia or diabetes and such. So knowing the risk factors early can help promote wellness if you follow the doctor's commands on how to improve your health. Another pro involved would be to get assurance of your health. Many people are in the dark of how healthy they really are. Knowing how to prevent disease and knowing that you are free from disease is very important. Also, if you are diagnosed, early knowledge and treatment can go a long way in preventing the spread of disease. Although all of these pros are highly recommend you to attend regular annual exams, there are some cons involved. For one, Medicare may not cover the cost of annual health exams, even though it may cover certain tests such as mammograms and glaucoma tests for those who are at risk. Also, it has been brought to the attention of healthcare cost foundations that unnecessary tests may be performed. These unnecessary tests can be very costly and not directly relate to a person's healthy status. Also, a person's internal fear of learning that something is wrong with them can cause them not to want to attend these annual health exams. One more con involved in attending these annual health exams involves time. People feel that they don't have the time to, one, schedule the appointment and two, attend the appointment. Although these cons alter the way people view annual health exams, the pros greatly outweigh the idea. Even though Medicare will not cover annual health exams at times, it is cheaper to prevent a disease and perhaps start an early treatment than going later on down the road with more extensive treatment due to increased spread of the disease. Also, if you do gather a relationship with your doctor, certain unnecessary tests can be ruled out so that the fear of having these unnecessary tests can be decreased. Also, the fear can be relieved by assuring your health, or if you do have a disease, early knowledge and treatment can help relieve stress about your body physical issue. And then, with the doctor's help, you can gather the information and knowledge to treat or cure your disease. Also, even though people don't have time or they feel they don't have the time to schedule annual health exams, It can improve the life expectancy by preventing and curing at an early stage. In conclusion, it is highly important that you attend these annual health exams because even though they can be costly, you could be saving a lot of money by preventing. Also, even though a lot of people are fear hospitals and they don't feel like they have the time, make the time. Do it for yourself. Don't be in the dark about your health. Schedule your annual health exam today.